guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see, is my first Halloween look of the year, and this is the neon rainbow skull look, and this is inspired by Jarry the Worst, and I will have her video as well as her channel linked down below so you can check it out. I believe she did this look last year, but I fell in love with it and I thought I'd go ahead and try it. It was a little more like time consuming and harder than I thought, but I totally loved the outcome. I really want to try this look on someone else other than myself, and my friend already said that she's down for it, so yeah. So anyways, if you would like to see how I did this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Starting off with my Essence gel liner, that's just going to be the base for the black winged eye look. So for this, I'm just going to place it like if I'm carving out my crease, and then I'm winging it out. So it is pretty much a cut crease, but in black. Now going into the Charity matte palette, I'm taking the black in there and setting that gel liner that we used as our base. Then I'll be taking a tinier crease brush and just blending out the edges. And this part does take a while just because you're working with black, and it can look patchy if you're not blending it right. So just take your time. After I'm done blending, I'm going to tight line my upper lash line so there's no skin showing. Then I'm going to take my Wet n Wild white paint base, and I'll be taking that on an angled liner brush and just kind of carve out my crease with that and connect it to my wing, if that makes any sense. I think it's easier if you just watch what I'm doing. So once we have the white outline done, I'm going back into the Charity matte palette, and I'm gonna place the bright blue on one part of the wing and just tap it in. Then the green, peach, hot pink, and purple. Those are all the colors I'll be using for this look, and I'm just tapping those in. So now I'm going in with the NYX white liquid liner and just gonna line over those colors we just placed down. So just repeat what you did with the first white base. And then we're gonna go over and tap over that with the colors we just did. So just repeat the same thing, and this is what's gonna help give us that neon effect. And you have to repeat this step about 2 to 3 times so it looks okay. So once we have that complete, I'm taking this sleek Solstice highlighting palette, and I'm just going to take the purple in there and highlight my brow bone and inner corner. Then I'm just going to apply some lashes, and these are the, I think, Cherry Blossom lashes in the style 43. Okay, so moving on to the face, I'm taking this LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil and just placing where I want the like skeletal bones. So I'm just doing a squiggly line on top, lining my jaw, and then one in the middle. Then for the teeth, I'm taking that NYX white liquid liner again and just doing like almond shapes for the teeth. And I mean, this was kind of tricky, but just take your time on it. It was just easier for me to use the liquid liner instead of the jumbo pencil. Right here, I realized that I kind of messed up, so I'm just taking my beauty blender to kind of erase it a little, and then making that line go under my lip and connecting the jawline to that middle line. Taking the Essence gel liner again, we're using that as the base. So I'm pretty much just repeating what I did for the eyes onto the face area. And I was working in small sections because I felt like the gel liner was kind of drying fast. So I would just do one section and then blend it out and then repeat that for the remaining of that one area. Taking the black shadow again, I'm just gonna set that liner down. And this is also gonna help cover up any like spots that we have and really like smooth it out. And it's totally okay if you cover up some of the white eye pencil, it's fine. And then I'm just repeating that onto the jaw area. Now to add the color, I'm just taking a bigger shadow brush and I'm just repeating exactly what I did to the eye look. So I'm using the same exact colors, the blue, green, peach, hot pink, and purple, and just tapping that in. And of course, you don't have to use the exact same colors I'm using. You can do your own thing and switch it up, put your own little spin on it. And not to sound repetitive, but I'm just going back into the NYX white liquid liner and just lining over those colors and repeating that 2 to 3 times. So if I didn't make sense, line it, tap over with the color, line it again, tap over with the color, and do it about 2 to 3 times. Right here, I'm just taking some black shadow and blending out the edges around my chin and my jawline. So I wasn't recording, but I did do my teeth as well. And then I did do my nose because I totally forgot about the nose. But I just repeated the exact same things I did for the eyes. So this is the completed skull look. And I had so much fun doing this. I can't wait to create more Halloween looks for you. I'm going to try to get one up every week until Halloween, but we'll see. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.